There's always been some desirums to continue with this practice, and it started with RF Deserum with his two sons, DL and F Deserum. As time went on, there were more and more lawyers were added to the firm. When non-family members joined, and the firm grew in size and was able to absorb much more work.
I think we have outgrown the concept of being a family firm, and I don't think now we can be considered strictly a family firm. Lawyers who join us, not being members of the family, will not feel that they are at any disadvantage. I would like them to think that there is a level playing field and their prospects of promotion and upward transition in the firm is no different to any member of the family.
We've been around for 125 years. The most important aspect of this is that we keep evolving. In order to evolve as a law firm, number one, you've got to ensure that you've got the right people. So that's our greatest asset. We've got a fantastic bunch of partners, and then we got an equally good bunch of associates. So you need to create the right environment for them to thrive.
I joined in 1968. I was on the board of Partners when we admitted non-family members and also the first female partner.
When I joined the firm in the late 1990s, there were only two female lawyers. Shortly after that, one of the lawyers was made a partner. It showed the recognition. She was a doyen in her field of law, and the fact that that was recognized with a leadership role given to her was so inspiring.
When I joined the firm 12 years ago as a consultant counsel, there were already 4 female partners here. So for me, leadership, female representation was not just an idea, but it was very much a reality here.
For a firm that has been around for 125 years, I would say our progress into the new and more dynamic areas of the law is fairly recent. We are truly what you would call a full-service firm. In the sense is we cover all areas of the law. We have a normal litigation practice, we have corporate, we have commercial, we have immigration, we have notarial, tax. So in every sense of the word, I think now we can safely say that we are truly a full-service firm.
We use as a benchmark a lot of the international law firms and their practices, including a network called Lex Mundi. So we evolve a lot based on those systems. We are looking at institutionalizing our law firm, our processes, which I think is very important because it doesn't become reliant on a particular individual or individuals.
I think the future of the firm depends a lot on us being able to cater to niche markets. I would like to think that we are equipped to handle that type of new work which is coming up. So young lawyers who join us must be capable and equipped to deal in these new areas of work.
I think the future for the firm is continuing to do what we have done so far to the best of our ability to maintain our client relationships, our culture for so many years with the firm. And the legacy is, I think, actually leaving behind an environment where these lawyers can thrive together with the firm.
I see the firm only growing as it has thrived over the 125 years, only to be better. It will continue to grow as I see, with humility, integrity and quietly. I can only wish the firm, and I am happy to say that I'm very confident that it will have another at least 125 years.
I think the success for that would largely depend on maintaining a fine balance. We've been around for 125 years, so there is a legacy, but the main thing is not to be complacent and to realize and appreciate that also change is going to be an inevitable part of that. So when I say change is that we need to be open to changes for the betterment when it comes to more particularly technology, strategies. We may have to reshape the firm to meet needs. We may have to look at new departments, new areas of the law.
AI is going to be a game changer in the legal industries.
I see a bright future for the firm because new partners are thinking expansively. They're not narrow. There are about nearly 35 to 40 lawyers now employed here, whereas when I first started, there were just 7 or 8 lawyers. If it continues like this, it's going to be a very major role in the legal field.